like to show you my new paper collection. Stay tuned. Okay guys, yeah, okay, it's December while this is going to be online, and I know it's not a Christmas theme collection, it's not a winter theme collection, because I'm art. I'm just doing what I love to do. I want to see something, I want to do it, and I don't care what kind of season of the year it is. That's me. Chaotic. Well, it's not chaotic, it's just who I am. And when I saw these images, I just, oh my gosh, I want to do something with it. So yeah, here it is. So let me show you. Okay, so of course there is a cover. You already see It's Showtime. Yeah, cool. I love that. I call that yeah, thing. When I was thinking about that thing with my dearest friend and advisor too, I don't want to call it circus, because there were a lot of it is a circus team, but I don't want to call it circus because everything around it, everything is just, yeah, it's you will see when I show you. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible in explaining things, but yeah, I'm so excited about this, and I even don't wanted to do it right now. I wanted to do it maybe in January, but I could not wait. It was already ready and already in my stash and waiting, and I was talking about my dearest friend about it, and she said, don't do anything earlier than this, because you are so excited about this that everything that you're going to do earlier than this would be not your thing. So just do what you love, even it's December, even you think it's just about Christmas or anything, just do it. Because yeah, I am that emotional person that when I'm getting excited, I am just, oh, I want to do it, but it's not time yet. Oh, but I want to do it. No, it's not time. It is time. It's time when I think it's time. Alright, so let's don't talk about too many, because let me show you the images. So every time when I do a cover, of course I want to do a back cover with all these yummies. Look at all these yummies. It's so adorable. It's so cute. The colors are so nice and vintage. With the clown and the mouses. There are a few little mouses. Oh, they are so cute. And the carousels, and with all the, oh, I love this air balloon. And this thing where you can sit in the carousel. It's just the horses. It's just, oh my gosh. Yeah. I can't tell you enough how much I love it. So let me show you the papers. I wanted to keep it delicate, but still wow. But especially I wanted to keep it delicate. So this first one, yeah, it's all kind of things on the background. I hope I can show you a little bit on the background. So and of course the carousel and the little bike and this little bowling thing and the stars. I just love it. It's, yeah, it's, you can use it on so many things with these papers. And then on the back, oh my gosh, look, it's so cute. Yeah, I definitely wanted to add flowers. What's a collection without flowers? That's my idea, guys. That's just my idea. I just love flowers adding in a collection, and I think this fits just marvelous. Okay, and then a very nice delicate paper with little hearts, and that's coming from this piece off, because I love hearts. So it's very gentle and nice and romantic and playful. And I think these papers you can use. Oh wow, this is a wow. It's not wet. It's my idea, not pink, but it's a reddish pink. I really like this color. It's so cool. And then the background is again nice, vintage, nice, crunchy and everything. I really like it. You know I like stripes. Okay, and then this one is a an idea from these little things that you need to go for the carousel. So that was my idea of this, and it's striped. Yeah, I love it. It's so cool. I just spent hours doing this, but I just love this page. It's, yeah, vintage, but so cute. And then the back, we have this nice reddish pinkish, so cool, nice. And you also can use it this way or this way, so it's very easy to use and it fits with everything. And then of course I made some cards. Love it. And I tried to keep the quotes a little bit, not too much circus, but just a little. So let's say this: fun for all ages. It is. Live in your own world. That's a quote I love, because I do just what I love to do. Life is a circus. That's also true. Family time. Big dreams. Precious. Inspiration. Magic. And then this one I just love. This is definitely a circus theme, but I think I like to go with this for the outside. But can you imagine? Just go with me in this adventure. You can do a child book with this. You can do a baby book with this, but you also can make a great junk journal with these ones, because adults love these too. Yeah, duh. I am that one person, not one person, there are thousands, maybe millions of me, that I like these images. It's so, especially with the vintage colors and the cream color and beige colors. Oh my gosh, I absolutely can't wait. Maybe I'm not even gonna do that, but it's totally in my head to make a nice junk journal with these papers, but I already have something else in mind. But gosh, maybe I'm gonna change my mind. I don't know, but I just love it. I just wanted to tell you. And then the back, this one is I just like to explain how I came up with this. This is the bottom of this carousel, and I thought, oh my gosh, I want to use that. That's so cool, because this you can flip it this way, or you can use it any ways you like. I just like it. It's so cool and playful. Very easy to use. And then we have a nice quiet page again, a nice, yeah, journaling page. I call it mixed media page. Here I have a nice edge all the way around. You may not see it that quite good on camera, but it is. And I added so much fun things on the background, so it's all nice quotes and music things, everything that's really cool. And then I added these 3 mouses and some flowers on the background, and then I thought, yeah, cool, I love this page. So nice journaling page, but you also can cut, let's say you make cards, you cut this in 4 times, and then you have a nice mouse on here, a nice mouse here, and then the top you can just use it for journaling. Perfect. And then the back, oh my gosh, I love dots. And these dots also came from this one. Yeah, I just used the images to inspire myself. So it's so cool. I love dots also. Stripes and dots. There is just a must have in every collection, I must say. And then we come to the blue part. Well, this one is also to the blue selection. So I choose for this jeans blue color. Of course, it also comes in all kind of blues in these images. But I choose for the jeans blue one, and I also love these ornaments in yeah, small one, big ones. They are just amazing. You also can use it this way, so that's the best thing of these. And on the back, yeah, could not refuse to do this. A small stripe, yeah. All kind. You can use it this way. Perfect. Then we have another ornament page, a very delicate one. You can use it as a plain one, but there is a nice image inside. Love it. Also, you can use this way. Very nice to use. And then this is so playful. yeah, and delicate. I need to go in closer so you can see this setup what I was using. And this is also the blue and then the cream color on the back, of course. So also very delicate. You can use it this way, very easy to use. Then we have some bigger cards. Feel the magic. Oh yes, dream big. This is a nice circus. It's showtime anytime. And then on the bottom I made again some few little stamps. Always so cute to use. So I wanted to add it again. So cool. I love these big ones. Very nice to use. Yeah, and with this one also there are some flowers in the corner. If you see these, so cool. And here are some pink, and here is the blue again, and with this one the pink. So yeah, the reddish pink and the blue ones are the main colors with these. And then on the back, look at this, how cool is this? Oh my gosh, could not resist adding flowers to this, and I love this image, so I could not resist making a nice big page with this one. Of course this you can't use this way, but we have enough to play this way. But this is so adorable. Would be cool with the background. Absolutely. And then I also wanted to have some basic colors, not a blue or red color, but some basic colors that fits with both of these colors. So I have some, yeah, gray, blackish and beige colors, brown colors with it. So, well, this is a nice, yeah, black and gray, and love this one, so cool. And you can also make cool strips with it. You can use it this way or this way, that's totally up to you. So very easy to use. And then the back, I love these bikes, so super cute, very vintage. And this one you also can use this way or this way, so very easy to use. Then we have another ornament page, very grungy, if you can see. Here is a little dark and here is lighter. And you can see from the close up how it looks. So this is a dark brown, but with, yeah, the grungy thing. It's very nice to be used. And then the back, we have that same delicate design, but then this is the dark brown design. Very easy to use. Also this you can use this way or this way, totally up to you. Now this one is so delicate. I love it. So this is that a big ornament, which I made it bigger, and then in a nice delicate cream color. Very delicate, very gentle, and the background is also grungy, and yeah, I just love it. The sides are also, yeah, you will see it close by. It will do not its justice on camera, but when you have it in your hands you will know what I mean. And then the back, we have another nice delicate background page, which you can use this way or this way, and this is a nice beige color. Very easy to use, love it. Then we have another, and this is the last one from the set, another card sheet, but this is the journaling card. As you can see close by, I added some lines with it, so you can add your little quotes on it or your little stories, and you will have all kind of nice little images that comes back in these journaling cards. I just love these. So cool. And then the back, I must say, I could not resist to add this in it. I just love this diamond shape and the gray black. I just think it fits with every page that I just show you. So yeah, I could not resist to add it on. So yeah, I made it a little grungy. I really like it. So that is, those are my 12 designs. So there are 24 designs in total. So I call this one set. So these are 13 pages. think. Yeah, there are 13 pages. So I call this one set. Now, how many sets you will think there will be in one paper pack? Normally, there are 48 sheets of designs. I'm not counting the covers. Normally, there are 4 sets of these in one paper pack. This time, I have a project in my mind and I definitely want to give it a go. But I don't know if I will have enough with 48 sheets. So maybe I'm going to add this time 5 packs, 5 sets in here. So you will get 60 sheets in this paper pack. So it's a tryout. I don't know if I'm going to do that each time because normally I will have enough with 48 sheets. But this time I am going to add 60 sheets. So you will have 5 sets of what I have right here in my hand. Alright, so that's a big plus, I think. So I hope you will like this collection. And now I'm going to start with my project. So thank God. I hope it will work out. So I hope you like this new paper collection. It's Showtime, made by Scrapqueen Designs. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this. Check it out.